Hi everyone, so now we will learn that how to create dynamic grid in React Native, and that we will do with the help of style only. So let me show you what I mean to grid first. So here you can see that we have a list from left to right. This is not just going from top to bottom. So you can see that this is a horizontal list, which is the flow of list is left to right, or it could be from right to left also. Alright, so here you can see that once one row of screen is full with the boxes, the next box will come to the next line, or you can say that in next row. Like just after 3 boxes, the Bruce is coming in the next row, and after the 6 boxes, the Sam is coming in the again in next row. How we can do that? Let's check. But first of all, let's go with the points of this video. So first of all, we will make some static text item so that we can create a static grid. After that, we will jump on like dynamic grid. It will not take much time. Even it will be easy if we will just understand it step by step. After that, we have to add some style to make it grid. Then we will simply replace these static items with the dynamic data. And at last, we will cover some important interview questions also. So let me just open the emulator as well as our code editor. So I am just hiding this sidebar so that we have more space to code. Alright. So firstly, as I told you, let me just take a view so that inside this I can wrap some text items. So text item, and here I'm putting the name like Sam. Alright. And after that, I am just copy and paste it in several times. So you can see that we have a list, but the text is still really small. And the flow of this, you can see that these texts are top to bottom, not left to right or right to left. So you can see that the flow is actually vertical, not horizontal. So how we can just make it vertical? First of all, let's check that. So our parent item of these, or you can say that the wrapper of these items, we have to add some styles. So first of all, we will just simply put there flex1. This is basically a flexible style. It will grab the area whatever he has. Let's say on a screen we have 10 items, then it will just grab the area whatever he has, and if there is a one item on the screen which is the flex, then it will grab the whole screen area. So this is basically, you can say that a flexible and resizable item in React Native, and we can apply it on the view, on the text, or in any element also. All right. So after that, what we need to do there, we just have to put the flex direction, and let's say that will be there is a 4 properties. We can just simply put the column, reverse column, row, and reverse row. I'm putting there as a row, but now you can see that the items are just hidden somewhere. So the next thing that we have to use, which is flex wrap. And let's provide the property wrap. And now you can see that we got the all items. The flex wrap property is basically responsible. Once our screen one row is full, then it will automatically place the next item in the next line, right? Okay, so let me just add some style also. For that, I have to just import style sheet. And now I am taking a const styles. And let me create the style sheet dot create dot compose, and here we can take an item, or you can say that object with the name of item, and there let me just apply this item on any text box once, on the text once. So let me just add styles dot item, right? Till now there is a no style added in this item, that's why this is not just reflecting anything there. So firstly, I am just putting their font size, and it could be, let's say, 25 pixel or anything. And because we just applied this style on one text, that's why it will reflect only on once. After that, we will apply this same style on the different texts also, right? Okay, so after that, let me just add the background color. It could be blue, color could be white, or you can simply use the code for this. And after that, margin we can add, let's say 5. Padding again we can add, let's say 5. After that let me save it. Yep. So after that we can add some height or height and width also. So let's say I'm putting the 120 pixel height, and width is, let's say, again 120 pixel, right? And after that, let's say if you want to just put this text in center, then simply use line items. So you can say that center. Sorry, we have to use here text align center. After that we can simply say that text align vertically, and here I will again put center. Perfect. So one box is ready. So we can just copy this style from first text to the another one, second to third. If I'm just saving, it will automatically reflecting with them. Here we go. So here you can see that our static grid is ready there. So let's say if I will remove this flex property, you will find that all boxes are try to come in a single line and they are hidden, right? So that's why we have to use flex wrap. Perfect. How we can make it dynamic grid with that also? So for that I have a array here, even which we used this array in previous videos also. If you want to watch our previous videos like how we can create a custom list and flat list and all, link is given in the description box with complete playlist. So now I will convert all these static items with the dynamic. So I am just removing them. Simply I am removing these, and there I am simply using a map function with users array, right? And as we know, this map function is basically take arrow function. So here we can simply use text, and let's say hello we are using there, and here we can see that we got the hello everywhere, but this is basically without style. So firstly I am getting the item parameter there, so that I can print the name item dot name. Now we have all name from this array, and simply we can apply style is there. So let's say we can use here styles dot item, and here we go. All right, so that's all for this part. Questions. One question can be asked like what is the use of flex wrap property, or they can ask this opposite of it, like, so let's say if you want to just get item in a next line, then which property you will use. So you can say that we can use the flex property. Second thing, can we create a grid with the help of flat list? Yes, we can do that with the flat list also. All right, there is some more important properties which could be asked, like flex direction. What is the use of flex direction? To just show the list or show the item in the horizontal manner. And again, how we can just align the text vertically, then you can say that text align vertically property we can use. So that's all for this part, and I will request you to please watch this video completely and share your feedback in comment section, like this video and subscribe my channel. So thank you guys, thank you so much.